Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing an in-depth analysis of ETHUSD using current events from today, February 13th, 2025, and chart data. Recent news indicates a mixed sentiment towards Ethereum. Positive news includes increased institutional investment in Ether ETFs and the potential for increased staking options, suggesting growing confidence in Ethereum's long-term prospects. However, short-term concerns exist, such as the recent death cross pattern on the charts and significant short bets being placed by traders, indicating potential for a short-term price decline. This confluence of positive and negative news creates a fascinating backdrop for our technical analysis. Let's start by examining the daily chart. The current price is approximately $2,641.63, slightly lower than yesterday's close. The recent price action shows a significant downward trend from its peak of $3,451.58, suggesting potential for further decline before reaching a support level. The overall trend is bearish in the short term, potentially reversing to bullish in the long term. If we zoom in on the last week, the price has shown increased volatility. We observe a clear bearish momentum in the daily time frame, which is further reinforced by observing the volume levels. The significant increase in volume during the downward price movements shows increased selling pressure. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price movements. Here, we can observe a more dynamic situation. The price has been consolidating within a range over the past few hours, suggesting a period of indecision among traders. However, the current price is near the lower bound of this consolidation range, and there's increased volatility. The 15-minute chart provides even more detail about the current price movement. The recent period of price action reveals a short-term downtrend. Despite the range-bound nature on the 1-hour chart, it appears that the bearish momentum is regaining some strength. We need to watch this range closely for signs of a breakthrough or reversal. The current price is around $2,641.63. Key short-term support levels are around $2,500 and $2,400. Resistance levels are at $2,700 and $2,800. Breaking above $2,700 could initiate a bullish reversal and push prices towards $2,800. On the other hand, a drop below $2,500 would reinforce the bearish trend. The long-term outlook depends on Ethereum's ongoing adoption rate and developments in its ecosystem. Based on current news and chart analysis, the likelihood of a short-term bearish trend is higher than a bullish one. Conditions reinforcing this include the prevalence of negative news and short bets. However, Ethereum's longer-term potential remains positive, particularly if we see a breakout above $2,700. Looking ahead, it will be crucial to monitor the news related to institutional investment, especially relating to ETFs and staking, to improve prediction accuracy and long-term bullishness. In summary, ETHUSD is currently exhibiting a short-term bearish trend, influenced by recent news and technical indicators such as the death cross pattern. However, long-term bullish potential remains, especially if the price breaks above key resistance levels and positive developments in the Ethereum ecosystem continue. The next few days and weeks will be key in determining the direction of the price action. Keep an eye on volume levels, especially if they are unusually high, as this often suggests significant buying or selling pressure.